right, thanks, David. Congratulations.
Hey, I'm Ron Sturgeon, owner of the DFW Car and Toy Museum, and I'm here presenting the trophy to our first winner of our inaugural Dashboard 250. Was the race pretty grueling? I understand that you won the Indy 500. What year was that? 66. He won the Indy 500. So he's a really hardcore, dedicated racer. We're so happy to have everybody here to watch the first race. We hope we'll have many more. And Fort Worth doesn't have an F1 yet. Now they've got the Dashboard 250. Congratulations. We've also got the Dashboard Diva here. The sponsor for the race, and she just loves the museum and everything we do here. Thank you for coming.
Absolutely. Thank you, guys. And congratulations.